Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll dive straight into creating a wedding planning checklist in Notion, the ultimate tool for organizing your big day in 2025. We'll start with setting up a new page in Notion. Click the plus button on the left side of your Notion workspace and select Page. Name it Wedding Planning Checklist. This step is crucial as it gives you a dedicated space to plan your wedding, keeping everything centralized and easily accessible. Next up, let's create sections for each aspect of the wedding. On your new page, start typing Heading 1 to create headers like guest list, venue, catering, and so on. The reason we do this is to keep our checklist organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Now that we've done that, it's time to add the details. Under each header, type /to-do list to create task lists. For example, under venue, you could have tasks like research venues, visit selected venues, book the venue. This helps us because it breaks down each section into manageable tasks, making the planning process less overwhelming. Let me explain why this matters. Notion's to-do list feature allows you to tick off tasks as you complete them, giving you a visual progress tracker and a sense of accomplishment. Next, we'll add a timeline. Type /timeline under a new heading named Timeline. Here, you can add all your tasks and set their deadlines. By doing this, you're ensuring you stay on track and meet all your deadlines, which is vital when planning a wedding. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion's timeline view gives you a bird's eye view of your wedding planning, helping you identify any overlapping tasks or potential time crunches. Finally, don't forget to use the comment feature to add notes or important details related to each task. You can do this by clicking on a task and typing your notes into the Add a Comment box. This feature is especially handy for keeping those intricate details in check, like Aunt Mary's gluten intolerance or the DJ's equipment requirements. And there you have it, a comprehensive wedding planning checklist in Notion. This tool helps transform a potentially stressful process into a smooth, organized, and even enjoyable journey to your big day. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy planning.